Did you know that HAINBUCH have a full portfolio of work-holding milling solutions available? We're also going to be looking at a fully automated cell on a lathe. I'm on the fabulous HAINBUCH stand at AMB 2022 and I'm joined by Peter. Now Peter, what a fantastic stand. I see that you're paying a lot of attention to automation. I see that most of your products are automated throughout the stand, but I've also noticed a lot of static work holding solutions.
Gio, first of all, thank you and welcome to our exhibition stand. And we are very happy that we can be in an exhibition again now, face to face. As you see here in the back now, we focus a lot of automation now this time. The HAINBUCH products now, as you know them, are made for quick change. There is the first step, the clamping head, end stop changing. And so we put everything now together in automation.
But you're not just automating the product, you're also automating the setup. Can you explain how this works?
Yeah, so we have 3 steps, for example. We can demonstrate also here to only change over the clamping head together with the end stop, which is step 1. You have the chuck inside, and this will be done automatically. But later on, if you want to have the next step, to change the complete chuck to, for example, to a mandrel, we can change the complete chuck automated by the robot without people working there. From example, 2 millimeters or 4 millimeters diameter gripping inside, outside, to next step, gripping inside 20 millimeters. So from 200 millimeter chucks, complete variation.
This is unbelievable, and this really lends itself to low volume, high mix work. Is that correct?
Yeah, absolutely right, absolutely correct. So it's for low volume work, and we have the full variation. The robot can take now the clamping head with the end stop inside to the chuck. On the other side then, he can change over the chuck to the mandrel, a complete flexibility and very fast. And what is very important, very accurate. If we change from a chuck to a mandrel, we talk about less than 3 microns accuracy. So repeatability, difficult word for German.
Repeatability is something that you're renowned for. Repeatability, accuracy, and clamping force. I mean, you're still only clamping on a minimal amount, I guess, with any kind of product that you're actually offering.
Absolutely right. I had a customer a couple of minutes before. He grips parts, big brake discs, on a gripping length from 2 millimeters. Very accurate, with an absolutely high stiffness, accuracy, and this is something, the combination, it's a standard product, and we can put out of a standard product such a big effort for the customer.
Automation is on the tip of everyone's tongue at the minute. It's a real buzzword. Has the marketplace demanded this solution from you?
Yeah, absolutely. In the beginning now, 20 years ago, when the people saw our chucks and they saw the clamping head, they said, hey, can we do this automatically? We said, yeah, you can, but we don't have the solution for you. Then the customers came to us and said, look, we done it by a robot. We done it on the revolver from the machine by themselves. And so we learned also from the customer that, hey, we have to do this now. And then we got more and more inside of this, and now the final step now is changing the complete chucks now and mandrels by the robot.
Well, this is a complete solution for turning, but you also offer milling solutions now, and this is something that maybe in the UK they might not be fully aware of. Can you tell our audience about some of the milling applications that you now offer and that you're exhibiting at the show?
Gio, absolutely right. When people talk about HAINBUCH, they think about turning solution, they think about lathes and everything. No one really reminds that HAINBUCH has also a stationary sector. For about 25 years, we also have all the products we use on the lathes. We have also in a stationary variation. It's a manual activated, hydraulic activated. But now, from this year on, we have also a 0-point system, which allows you to change over pallets on a milling machine in a very high accuracy, very fast, and this is something new that no one would expect from HAINBUCH.
Well, I can't wait to see this in action in more shops in the UK, and I'm looking forward to review them in more detail. But for now, Peter, thank you very much for your time.